Today we'll be checking out the HD Smart Mini Camera. This features HD recording, a remote switch, and a remote monitor. It's supported on iOS and Android. It works via Wi-Fi. It supports a micro SD card, video streaming, and also includes motion detection. Getting straight into the packaging, we get a detailed set of instructions, the mini camera, a micro USB cable, a micro SD card reader, and a SIM ejector tool to reset the camera. Taking a look at the mini camera, on the back we have a speaker and also some instructions engraved on the back as well. On the top we have a micro USB port for charging and an on-off switch, and on the front we have the camera and some sensors underneath it. Setting the camera up is pretty simple. You download the TinyCam Pro app from the App Store or the Google Play Store, and once you open the app, you tap on the plus button, which gives you a few pairing options. I'll show you how to pair it using the direct mode. So you will want to go to the Wi-Fi settings on your phone to connect to the network given off by the camera. Then go back to the app, tap the gear icon, Wi-Fi config, then put your Wi-Fi details in, after which you'll be good to go. The app has quite a few functions. In the live video feed, you can adjust the brightness and contrast of the image. You can turn night vision on and off. You can flip the camera vertically or horizontally. You can take photos and videos, which will be saved to the micro SD card if you use it. And you can also listen to what the camera hears, and you can change the resolution and speak through the camera as well. You can also change the device settings from within the app, like renaming the device, setting a password for it, setting the motion detection alarm and how sensitive it is. You can also turn off the LED indicator to be even stealthier. So if you're looking for a small, portable security camera that can fit pretty much anywhere, then this is a fantastic option. If you're interested in picking one of these up, the links will be in the description below. Like this video if you enjoyed it and found it useful, and subscribe to the channel to see some of our other products in action. But for now, thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the very next video.